Hello guys, I'm Paris Options here and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets being so volatile, right? But as I said, below 43,140 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade. Till 43,000, that should be your first target, and then 42,800, right? But yeah, till 43,000 we got a very easy target and we almost hit 42,800. But if you see, right, as I say, from the places from where the buying starts, there's a support, and the places from where the selling start, there's a resistance, right? So if you see from where the buying started and markets took support exactly from there and then started moving up right throughout the days. And if you see, right, bears tried to take the market down in candles like these, but they were failing, right? Markets just were continuously moving up and up and up, right? So this means that the bulls are very, strong over here. So yeah, definitely market will only aim for bullish moves and not bearish moves over here, right? Again, if so tomorrow if you open flat and cross 43,380, then our first target can easily be 43,510. That you can get this 100 point move very easily. If markets just sustain over here for some time and then break out, then we can also expect 43,600, 43,700 levels tomorrow easily on the upside, right? Again, if we open with a big gap up, which looks like, which by the looks of the US futures, if you see over here, we probably will open with a good gap up, right? Then things will be very interesting, because if we open say somewhere near 43,600, 700, all these levels, if we just sustain over here for some time, right? If we just consolidate over here for maybe a few maybe hour or two over here, and then if we break out, then we can expect 44,000 tomorrow itself, right? So if we after opening gap up just sustain at this point, then we can expect a very good rally. In my opinion, we can expect a rally till 43,950 easily tomorrow if we just sustain below 43,700 after opening. Because if you see, right, in the daily charts, I'm going to show you, markets have been there are three inside candles over here, right? This is the big candle and there are three candles which are inside the range of this candle. So definitely markets, if we break out above 43,600, we can see a very good momentum, and tomorrow could be a very good day if just in the first half of them, if in the first half we could just sustain at these higher levels, then we can expect markets to move till 44,000 tomorrow itself, right? And maybe even break this high of new all-time high, right? Or at least go till there, right? Okay, now on the downside, again, if you open with a very big gap down somewhere say near 43,100, 43,000, do not hesitate to sell, because at this point if we open with a very big gap down, we can easily expect 40 to 500 to come right over here, because definitely the bulls will get trapped first of all, and there will be the bears. Actually, the bulls will not even try to take the market up from it. So tomorrow if you open with any sort of a gap down, wait for a 5-minute breakdown. Once we get a 5-minute breakdown, then you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here. Your target can easily be 42,600 to 500 on the downside for tomorrow, right? Because then I'm expecting markets to be very bearish if we open with any sort of a gap down, right? Again, if we open flat and start moving down, just give me a second. Yeah, if we open flat and start moving down, we guys can go ahead and take trade once we are below 43,175, and then you can go aggressive below 43,100, right? Okay, talking about Nifty over here, if you see Nifty also pretty much being bullish, and Nifty is actually at a very good point, right? So tomorrow if we open, flat or somewhere near 18,340 below this high, then as soon as we cross this high, right, of 18,340, you guys can then go ahead and take a trade. Your target can easily be 18,400 on the upside, right? On the downside, if we go below 18,000, if we go below 18,250 to 55, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here also, because from there we can expect a very good momentum on the downside easily till 18,160 to 180, in my opinion, because definitely we are at a very good place, and there are and a lot of people have carried bullish positions home. So if we open with any sort of a gap down, or even if we open flat and start moving down, then a lot of bulls will be trapped over here, which could lead to a very trending move on the downside easily till 18,180 to 160 on the downside, right? Again, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 18,220, something like that, then you just wait for this low to be broken. Once this low is broken, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target will be somewhere, should be somewhere near 18,160 to 180 again, right? On the upside, if you open with a gap up, say with like Bank Nifty, if Nifty could also just sustain on these higher levels, then we could see an uptrending move in Nifty also in the second half. So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Tomorrow could be a very trending expiry if the markets open with a gap up and just sustain on those higher levels, right? So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.